Good morning, children. Today our session is density. What is density? What is the SI unit of density? Okay. Take water in a beaker and drop in iron ball and a cork bowl into the water. What do you observe? The iron ball sinks and the cork floats as shown in figure. Can you explain why? If your answer is heavy objects sink in water and lighter objects float in water, then why does a metal coin sink in water whereas a much heavier wooden log floats? These questions can be answered when we understand the concept of density. See the picture, this is iron ball, this is cork. Cork means wood. Okay, whatever, not only that cork, plastic things and ball and balloon, wherever. Okay, this is iron ball. Not only that iron ball, stone also. Okay, why? You're going to understand density. See, take a measuring jar. Now this is take a measuring jar. Take a measuring cylinder and pour some water into it. Okay, take a measuring cylinder, pour some water into it. Note down the volume of water from the readings of the measuring cylinder. Note down the volume of water. Reading of measuring cylinder. Take it as V1. This is first one you take. No, that is you take one first, V1. Okay, now take a small stone and tie in it with a thread. Immerse the stones inside the water by holding in the thread. This has to be done such that the stone does not touch the walls of the measuring cylinder. Now, the level of water has raised. Note down the volume of water and take it to be V2. The volume of the stone is equal to the rise in the volume of water. The volume of stone is equal to the rise in volume of water. Now we understand the concept. Listen, take a measuring cylinder. Pour some water into it. Pour some water into it. Note down the volume of water. Now first you note down the volume of water is V1. Okay. Next, take a small stone. Take a small stone and tie it in with a thread. And tie in with a thread. Immerse the stones inside the jar. Okay, inside the jar. Holding thread the inside the jar. It has to be done such the stone does not touch in the walls of the measuring cylinder. Now the level of water is nice. Now the level of water will rise. Listen, this is rise. See now, first starting level V1 for how much? 30. Now water level 40. This is you mentioned V2. This is V1. This is V2. Note down the volume of water and take into V2. The volume of the stone is equal to the rise in the volume of water. Now you understand the volume of stone. The volume of stone is equal to the volume of stone is equal to the rise in the volume of water. Okay, now you see V1 equal to is it V2 is equal. This is formula stone. See, for example V1 30. Am right? Next V2 40. Am right? This is volume of stone formula. See volume of stone. See V2 how much? 40. V1 how much? 30. Now answer is 10. So volume of stone how much? 10. Volume of stone is how much? 10. This is called density. Okay. Now, from a activity, we observe that wooden block occupies more volume than the iron ball same mass. Also, we observe that the wooden block is lighter than the iron block of same size. The lightness or heaviness is a body's due to density. Okay, the lightness. Some children look like fat. Some children look like thin. This is a body of the, due to the body of the density. It more mass packed in the same volume. It has greater density. So the iron block will have more mass than the wooden block of the same size. Okay. Therefore, iron has more density. That's only iron have more density. That's why iron ball is zinc in the water. The wooden block is less volume though, so it is a float. Next, definition of density. See, density of a substance is defined as the mass of the substance contained in unit volume 1 m3. This is a definition. Definition of density. See, density of substance. Substance means what? Anything. Iron ball or cork or rubber, stone, whatever. Density of a substance is defined as the mass of the substance contained in see, units. Okay, unit volume. Okay, if the mass of substance is m, it is denoted. Okay, the mass substance is m, whose volume is v, volume v. The equation of density is given. See, formula, density equal to mass is divided volume. See, density is formula what? D is equal to m divided v. Density mean D, mass is represented m, volume is represented v. Okay. Next, unit of density. The SI unit of density, kilogram divided m cube. The CGS unit of density is gram cm cube. Okay. Now, density of different materials. What are the different material of density? Different materials have different densities. Okay, different materials have different density. For example, see, you take a pencil, means it is different density. You take eraser, it have different density. You take a big stone, it has a different density. You take a small stone, it different density. So different materials have different densities. The material with higher density are called denser. But the materials with higher density are called denser. And the material means anything, whatever material. The material with lower density are called rare. Okay, two different materials. The material with higher density are called denser, and the materials with lower density are called rare. The density of some widely used materials are, listen to the following table. Listen. This is, see, gas, liquid, solid. Gas, water, you know that na? Air. Gas means air, material. That is the density, how much? It mentioned by kg divided m cube, 1.2 density. Liquid, kerosene, water, mercury. Kerosene 800, water 1000, mercury 13, 600. This. Next, solid, wood, aluminium, iron, copper, silver and gold. See, wood how much, aluminium how much, iron, copper, silver, gold, this and all. Okay, suppose you have 1 kg of iron and gold, which of them would have more volume than the other? Give your reason. I hope understood your topic, children. We'll meet next session. Take care.